Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So I've literally just came back from the gym and I am super tired. As you can see, I'm wearing this gorgeous baby blue gym outfit, like these nice high-waisted shorts and this nice top. So yeah, this is from Primark. But yeah guys, today I'm actually doing my setup for my office and I can't wait to show you guys. Like, it's literally been so tiring trying to order everything, but yeah, I've kind of got some pieces together. So yeah guys, I will show you that right now. Right, okay guys, so I'm about to unbox this clothing rack because I can't wait to see what it looks like and put everything together. So yeah, this is going to be fast forward guys. Right, okay, so these are the parts that I'm trying to figure out. This wood is actually gorgeous, by the way. But yes, let me see. So I'm going to start from the base. And then we have some of these screws, which is in alphabetical order. So we need A screws, which come from here. And then you got the base there, and then you need the one pole, which is that one. So it does tell you by numbers, which is real good. Makes life easier. And then number two, so yeah, these two would probably have to be connected. And then you got the base. But yeah guys, this is what it's all going to be turning out and I'm looking forward to it. So catch you later. Okay guys, it is finally finished. It literally just took me 20 minutes. I am so impressed that I actually did this, and yet it just looks so cute. I really love the oak wood to this one. So yeah, I've just added that just like that. I just wanted to see what it looks like. As you know, that's my son's toys in there, so he likes to grab things and pull it out. So I know that will be so much easier when he's up here. And yeah, I actually really like it. I'm not sure what to put in that one there. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, what else I should add to it. Probably think I'll put some of my bags there or shoes. No idea, but yeah guys, I absolutely love this. Looks really nice and I just love the angles to it. But yeah guys, really didn't take me that long. Really thought it was going to be a bit tricky, but yeah guys, really love it. Really does look nice with my table. I am so obsessed with this, guys. I'm absolutely loving my little office right now. It's just so cozy. But yeah guys, I am gonna add like some more little details to these. Knowing me, I'll probably end up going got some nice new wooden hangers to go with it, so I really think it just looks so nice and it just really stands out with the black. I'll leave a link in the description box down below so you can check it out. So yeah guys, I really love how it looks. If you enjoy my video and everything I have here, and like the table and the chairs and this clothes rack here, I'm gonna link everything in the description box down below, so if you guys to check it out. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Bye guys.